Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert tables and charts to your slides on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the project you want to edit. After that, you should tap on the plus icon down below, click on Elements, which is the second option at the bottom of the screen, then scroll down till you find the Tables section, tap on See All next to it, and here you can find the tables. So if you want to insert any of these, just tap on the relevant one, and then you should position it within the screen. You can change the color of it, you can change the border, as well as the table spacing can be set by the help of these slides. Then the font size and color, the formatting, spacing, you can add animation to it. And basically that's it. So if you want to add the graph, you should scroll down again, and here you can find the charts, bar charts, line and dot charts, pie charts, infographics charts, and other charts. So tap on the one you want to add. Here you can type in the data and edit the color, roundness, font, and other information concerning your elements. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.